Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have administrator access and noting the adapter model and current link speed so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Device Manager on Windows or your network settings on Linux. For quick terminal checks, use Ethtool. Make sure the cable and switch port support the desired speed so you aren't fighting hardware limits. Now identify the exact adapter entry so you can access its properties and make the change with confidence. You now change the link parameters directly. On Windows, open the Adapters Configure dialog, go to Advanced and select Speed and Duplex, then choose the target value. For Linux, run Ethtool with root privileges to set speed, duplex, and turn auto-negotiation off if forcing a value. For example, Ethtool SETH0 speed 1000 duplex full autoneg off. Make sure to match the physical switch or router port settings because mismatched duplex or unsupported speeds cause packet loss and poor throughput. Once you apply the new setting, disable and re-enable the adapter or reboot to ensure the NIC and switch renegotiate. Verify the result in the adapter status dialog on Windows or with Ethtool S/Ethtool ETH0 on Linux, then run a quick throughput test to confirm performance. If you see no link or low speeds, make sure the switch supports the forced rate and try setting auto-negotiation back on. If that fails, reinstall or update the NIC driver and check the cable and switch port for faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.